Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a focused workspace. Install Python 3, 11 or newer and verify the version. Once done, create and activate a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. This prevents conflicts when you install packages. Make sure to choose an editor you like, VS Code or PyCharm Speed's iteration. Now, create a file named main. Write a short function that prints status and run it with Python main. To confirm the interpreter and environment are working. Next, focus on solid structure. Split logic into modules and small, testable functions so you can reason about behavior. Install third-party packages with pip and pin them in requirements. TXT to lock versions. Write unit tests with PyTest and run them frequently to catch regressions early. Once tests pass, apply a formatter and linter to keep style consistent. This reduces review friction. As you iterate, run the program and tests together so you continuously validate both functionality and quality. To finish, package and share your code. Add piproject, toml or setup. CFG, build a wheel and publish to a repository or internal registry. Commit changes with Git, tag releases, and make simple CI to run tests on each push. When deploying, ensure environment variables and dependencies match your virtualenv setup. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting, read the traceback, add targeted logging, and create a minimal failing test to reproduce the issue. This isolates causes and speeds debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.